Today I'm going to make baked fish tacos with a delicious and simple mango-avocado salsa. Hi, my name is Silu. Welcome to the Weekly Plan. We're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Next, we're going to make the seasoning. And it has just a few simple ingredients. We have cassava flour here, 2 heaping tablespoons. And then we're going to add to it salt, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 1 teaspoon chipotle pepper. This is where the smokiness comes from. And just give it a stir. I have about 1.5 pounds of cod, which I'm going to slice into about 18 pieces. Then we're going to dredge each piece in our seasoning and place it on a baking sheet. Spray the fish with some olive oil spray. Bake in a 400-degree oven for 6 to 8 minutes until done. Next, we're going to make the mango-avocado salsa, and we're going to start with the red onion. And this is a pretty large red onion. We only want 1/4, so I'll probably use less than 1/4 since it's so big. Next, we're going to juice 1/2 lime. And I like to place this right over the onion to take a little bit of that rawness out. Then we're going to peel and dice a mango. It's easier to peel if it's not overripe. I'm going to cut a little bit at the end so I can stand my mango up. I'm going to cut around the mango pit. There we go. And then I'm going to trim off some of these sides, little meat on the side here. And this pit in the middle, you don't need to toss it right away. There's a lot of meat around it. And I saw a really cute video where parents were using this as a teether for kids, which I think is a brilliant idea. So I'm going to just trim off any excess skin. Cut it, peel it, and de-seed the avocado. Add 1 tablespoon of cilantro. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which is about a heaping pinch. And then tossed gently. Let's check on our fish. Oh, it looks perfect. We're going to warm through our tortillas on the stove and then put them in a kitchen towel to keep them warm. If you have non-fish eaters, I'm going to throw out 2 options for you. One is using mushrooms with the same seasoning, or you could also use grilled chicken with the same seasoning. So I'm going to show you the mushrooms here. I took, before I dredged the fish, I took 2 tablespoons of the seasoning and I put it aside, and I'm just going to coat the mushrooms here and just toss them. The mushrooms have moisture, so they're going to absorb some of this, the flour, the cassava flour. Then on a lined baking sheet, spread them out. They don't like to be crowded. And then give it a spray with olive oil. Bake the mushrooms for 10 to 12 minutes in a 400-degree oven. So let's assemble our taco. We have our corn tortillas, which are nice and warm. And we're gonna take some of the cabbage, just put it down. And then we're gonna add our fish. You can either do one piece or 2 pieces per taco. And then we're going to top it with our Mango-Avocado Salsa. I wish you could smell the mushrooms over here. They smell delicious too. The smokiness of the fish, the chipotle seasoning on the fish works so perfectly with the sweetness of the mango and the creamy avocado. Delicious. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. And we will see you next week with more delicious and tweakable recipes.